Sacred geometry. The divine patterns of the universe. Prepare to uncover the universe's most profound mysteries through the lens of sacred geometry. From the golden ratio to the cosmic egg, these ancient symbols and patterns hold the keys to understanding creation, energy, and the infinite cycle of life. Journey with us as we unravel their secrets, connect the dots between ancient wisdom and modern discovery, and unlock the mysteries of existence. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. The origins of sacred geometry. Sacred geometry is a term that encapsulates the divine patterns and proportions underlying all creation. Its origins are as old as human civilization itself. The ancient Egyptians, for instance, revered these patterns as gifts from their gods, using them to construct the awe-inspiring pyramids and temples that continue to mystify modern architects. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Pythagoras and Plato believed that geometry was a pathway to understanding the cosmos, embedding these sacred principles into their teachings and art. In India, mandalas reflected the universe's symmetrical perfection, while in China, the Taoist yin-yang symbol emerged as a representation of universal balance. Why do cultures separated by vast distances and time periods share an obsession with geometric patterns? This question has puzzled historians, mathematicians, and spiritual seekers alike. Sacred geometry isn't just a human invention. It's a universal language, an archetype embedded in the cosmos itself. 2. The golden ratio. Nature's hidden code. The golden ratio, or phi, approximately 1.618, is a mathematical constant revered for its harmonious proportions. Found in the spirals of galaxies, the arrangement of sunflower seeds, and the structure of DNA, the golden ratio serves as nature's design template. In ancient architecture, such as the Parthenon in Greece or the Great Mosque of Kairouan, this ratio was used to evoke beauty and divine order. Even Leonardo da Vinci incorporated the golden ratio into his iconic Vitruvian Man, illustrating how our bodies are intricately connected to this cosmic proportion. Today, scientists are uncovering more connections between the golden ratio and biological systems, from the human heartbeat to brainwave patterns. Could this universal constant be evidence of a grand design? 3. The flower of life. A cosmic blueprint. The flower of life is one of the most recognized symbols in sacred geometry. This intricate pattern consists of overlapping circles that form a hexagonal grid, and it has been discovered etched into ancient ruins worldwide. From the Temple of Osiris in Egypt to the Forbidden City in China, this geometric marvel has captivated mystics and mathematicians alike. What makes the flower of life so fascinating is its alleged ability to encode all the fundamental patterns of existence. Mystics believe meditating on the flower of life can awaken hidden knowledge and access higher dimensions of consciousness. Scientists, on the other hand, see it as a visual representation of the interconnectedness of all life, hinting at the underlying unity of the universe. 4. Sacred geometry in ancient temples. The builders of ancient temples were not just architects. They were geomancers who aligned their structures with celestial phenomena. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, is a geometric masterpiece that reflects the dimensions of the Earth and aligns perfectly with the cardinal points. In Cambodia, the Angkor Wat Temple aligns with the solstices, while the Mayan pyramids in Chichen Itza mirror the movements of Venus. These alignments weren't just for aesthetic purposes. They were tools for spiritual ascension. Ancient civilizations believed that by aligning sacred spaces with the cosmos, they could channel divine energies into their structures. Could these ancient temples be gateways to higher realms? 5. The Metatrons Cube, a sacred map of creation. The Metatrons Cube is one of the most complex and powerful symbols in sacred geometry. Composed of 13 interconnected circles, it forms the foundation of every geometric pattern in existence. It contains within it the Platonic solids, the building blocks of matter, and is considered a map of creation itself. Named after the archangel Metatron, who is said to oversee the flow of energy in the universe, this symbol has been used in mystical traditions as a tool for meditation and protection. Many believe it can unlock the secrets of higher dimensions and cleanse negative energies. But how did ancient cultures, separated by millennia, come to encode this cosmic blueprint in their art and rituals? 6. The Fibonacci sequence. The spiral of life. The Fibonacci sequence is a mathematical progression where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. What makes this sequence extraordinary is its connection to the golden ratio and its ubiquitous presence in nature, from the arrangement of leaves on a stem to the spirals of a seashell. Fibonacci numbers form the architecture of life itself. In ancient times, mystics observed these patterns in nature and saw them as evidence of divine order. The Fibonacci spiral, derived from this sequence, appears in galaxies, hurricanes, and even the human ear. Artists and architects, inspired by its natural elegance, incorporated it into their creations. From the Taj Mahal to Michelangelo's The Creation of Adam. Some believe the Fibonacci sequence holds the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. If everything in existence follows this pattern, does it point to a creator or an inherent intelligence embedded within the cosmos? 7. The mysteries of the Platonic solids. The Platonic solids, trahedron, cube, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron, are the foundation of sacred geometry. These 5 perfect three-dimensional shapes, discovered by ancient Greek philosopher Plato, are believed to represent the fundamental elements of the universe: fire, earth, air, water, and ether. What's fascinating is that these shapes appear in the molecular structures of crystals, the atomic arrangement of matter, and even in the microscopic world of viruses. Ancient cultures revere these forms as sacred, embedding them into art, architecture, and spiritual rituals. Modern scientists have observed that Platonic solids emerge in quantum physics, hinting at their fundamental role in the fabric of reality. Are these shapes a cosmic fingerprint, evidence of a universal architect? 8. The Vesica Piscis, gateway to creation. The Vesica Piscis is a simple yet profound symbol formed by the overlapping of 2 circles. This shape, often seen in ancient art and architecture, represents duality, unity, and the intersection of opposites. It is the foundation of many other sacred symbols, including the flower of life and the seed of life. In Christian iconography, the Vesica Piscis represents Christ and divine creation. In Hinduism, it symbolizes the womb of the universe. This geometric shape also appears in Gothic cathedral designs, reflecting its association with sacred spaces. Some mystics believe the Vesica Piscis is a portal, a gateway to higher dimensions where the physical and spiritual realms intersect. Could it be a map to understanding the origins of life itself? 9. The power of mandalas. Intricate geometric designs used in spiritual traditions are more than just beautiful artworks. They are tools for meditation, healing, and self-discovery. Originating in Hinduism and Buddhism, mandalas are thought to represent the universe and the journey toward enlightenment. Each mandala structure, with its symmetrical patterns and radial balance, reflects the underlying order of the cosmos. Psychologist Carl Jung famously used mandalas to explore the human psyche, seeing them as expressions of the subconscious mind. Modern neuroscientists have found that creating or meditating on mandalas can reduce stress, enhance focus, and promote a sense of unity. Could these ancient symbols hold the key to aligning our minds with the universe's natural harmony? 10. Fractals. Nature's infinite patterns. Fractals are intricate, self-replicating patterns found in nature, from the branching of trees to the formation of snowflakes. While fractals were formally described by mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot in the 20th century, their presence in ancient art and architecture suggests that early cultures understood their significance intuitively. Fractals are not just mathematical curiosities. They reveal nature's tendency toward infinite complexity within simplicity. From the spirals of Romanesco broccoli to the coastlines of continents, fractals demonstrate how the universe organizes itself. Many spiritual traditions see fractals as evidence of a divine intelligence. If the same patterns repeat infinitely at every scale, does this suggest that the universe itself is conscious? 11. Sacred geometry and sound and frequency. Sacred geometry doesn't only exist in visual forms, it also manifests in sound. Cymatics, the study of visible sound vibrations, reveals that when frequencies interact with matter, they create geometric patterns resembling the flower of life and other sacred symbols. Ancient cultures understood this connection between sound and geometry, using instruments like Tibetan singing bowls and didgeridoos to create resonances that aligned with sacred patterns. In modern times, researchers have found that specific frequencies, such as 432 Hz, resonate with the golden ratio, promoting harmony and healing. Could these sound frequencies be the keys to unlocking the universe's hidden geometry? 12. The Metatrons Cube, blueprint of the universe. Metatron's Cube is a sacred geometric symbol derived from the flower of life. It contains all 5 Platonic solids, making it a universal template for physical reality. According to legend, the symbol is associated with Metatron, a powerful angel in Jewish mysticism who serves as a scribe for the divine. This intricate design is said to encode the patterns of creation itself, representing both spiritual and material worlds. Mystics believe meditating on Metatron's Cube can reveal insights into the interconnectedness of all things, as it embodies balance, harmony, and unity. Even in modern science, researchers have noted parallels between Metatron's Cube and molecular structures. Could this ancient symbol truly hold the key to unlocking the mysteries of existence? 13. The flower of life, the code of creation. The flower of life is a pattern of overlapping circles forming a hexagonal structure. Found in ancient temples, manuscripts, and even Leonardo da Vinci's sketches, this design is often referred to as the code of creation. Each part of the flower of life contains profound mathematical and spiritual truths. For example, it serves as the basis for Metatron's Cube, the seed of life, and the tree of life. It's said that every atom, molecule, and life form follows the blueprint embedded within this design. Many believe the flower of life connects us to the universe's infinite wisdom. From Egypt to China, its universal presence across cultures suggests that ancient civilizations understood its profound significance. 14. The Merkaba, the chariot of light. The Merkaba, a three-dimensional star tetrahedron, is considered a powerful energy field that connects the physical and spiritual realms. In Hebrew, Merkaba means chariot, often interpreted as a vehicle for ascension and higher consciousness. Ancient mystics described the Merkaba as a divine tool for exploring other dimensions. It's believed to spin at light speed, creating a field of energy that can protect, heal, and elevate its user. In modern spiritual practices, the Merkaba is often used in meditation to achieve balance and awaken dormant abilities. Is the Merkaba simply a symbolic representation, or does it hold the secret to transcending time and space? 15. The Tree of Life, pathways to divinity. The Tree of Life is a central symbol in many spiritual traditions, including Kabbalah, where it represents the structure of reality and the pathway to divine understanding. Composed of 10 spheres, Sephiroth, connected by 22 pathways. It symbolizes the interconnectedness of all aspects of existence. Each sphere represents a different aspect of creation, from physical manifestations to divine wisdom. Mystics believe meditating on the Tree of Life can reveal hidden truths about the universe and the self. The structure's design also aligns with other sacred symbols, such as the Flower of Life and Metatron's Cube. As you explore this profound symbol, you may wonder, does the Tree of Life map the journey of the soul through the universe?